გამარჯობა მეგობრებო, დღეს ჩვენ ვისაუბრეთ ნომერზე 911. მოდით დავიწყოთ მის ყურება.
Something staring at me outside my window. There's something staring at you outside of your window, you said? Yeah, it's like just standing there looking at me. I think it's a man. Okay, what's your location, ma'am? I'm at Tulip Pike. How many people are there with you? Just me. Oh, God. What's the matter, ma'am? She's not there anymore. Okay. Where exactly are you in the house? I'm standing here in my kitchen. I heard a sound. I peeked in the living room, and there it was, just looking at me. You keep saying it, ma'am. Are you sure this is not some animal? Like I said, I think it's a man. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. My doorknob is moving. Okay, ma'am. This is what I need you to do, okay? Oh, my God. I need you to go somewhere and hide. Okay, can you do that for me? I know you're scared, ma'am, and I already have the police on the way. But I need you to go somewhere and hide. I have to have you okay. Okay. I'm hiding now. Oh, God, I'm so scared. Please don't send somebody fast, please. Help is on the way, ma'am. Where are you right now? I think he's in my house. Okay, try to remain calm. I don't want him to hear you. Lord, getting hot. Lord, getting hot. Calm down. He's really in my house. He's walking through my room now. Okay. I need you to listen to me. I'm going to get your window piece wrong. But in the meantime, we're going to play a game called Tap, okay? I'm going to ask you a series of questions and answers. Yes, we're going to tap our phone.
გავაგრძელოთ.
Now, is he in the room with you? Okay. Now,
ის ოპერატორის და როლის
animal, right?
რა
I don't understand. A woman. So then what is it then?
ის მენ ეს მენ
Ma'am?
მენ
Ma'am?
კარგით მეგობრებო, ამით ყველაფერი დასრულდა და კარგად იყავით. ეს რაღაც ძალიან საშიში რამ იყო. თანაც ლუკინის ქვეშ შევიდა ისა და თამაშობდა იწყეს და ბოლოს ის რა ის ხმა იყო, რაც სული იყო რაღაც. ჩემი რეჯი სლენდერმენი იყო. რაღაც სული. კარგით მეგობრებო, ამით ყველაფერი დასრულდა და კარგად იყავით.